Cement planter videos are blowing up everywhere. One page gained 72,000 followers with just 8 posts, and a single video hit 60 million views on Instagram and 14 million on YouTube. Look at what I just created using AI in under 5 minutes. I'm going to show you the completely free method to make these yourself. Let's dive in right now. First, open ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs. Search for DIY cement planter and select the first result. The GPT will ask you to choose your character. You can upload your own or click Use my reference character. Next, it'll ask 3 questions: planter location, setup style, and color scheme. Just enter the numbers for your choices, hit enter, and within seconds, the GPT generates 11 complete scene prompts, both image and video prompts for every single scene. Everything you need in one click. Copy image prompt 1 and open Google ImageFX. Click Add and upload your reference character first. This keeps your character perfectly consistent across every scene. Click on your image, select the Image Generation option, enable your settings, paste the prompt, and hit Enter. In seconds, you'll have your first scene image with exact character consistency. Now let's turn this into video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Click on your generated image, tap the 3 dots, choose Animate, enable your video settings, paste the video prompt, and hit Enter. Your first video scene will be ready in seconds. Now repeat this exact process for all remaining scenes. Here's the critical part. Before generating each scene, read the prompt carefully. Pay attention to which image is the start frame and which is the end frame. For example, some prompts give you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. Use your last generated image as the reference, create the new image, then set the old one as the start frame and the new one as the end frame, exactly as the prompt specifies. This makes your final video flow naturally. Once all scenes are generated, download them one by one. Open any free video editor like CapCut, combine all clips in sequence, and trim any unwanted parts. Speed up sections where needed, and keep your final video between 30 to 40 seconds, perfect for shorts and reels. Scale the clips slightly to remove watermarks, then hit Export. Your viral cement planter video is ready to post. The complete process is right here. All you have to do is start creating. Subscribe to Bulk AI for more free tutorials. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.